Good afternoon, everybody. This is your weather forecast here. We do have a marginal risk for severe weather across southeast Texas and parts of southwest Louisiana. This was actually a slight risk at one point, but due to the convection going on and possibly storms going over this area and things are not becoming unstabilized enough, they have trimmed or completely taken off that slight risk for severe weather. The tornado threat's been trimmed back to a 2%, but does include the same areas as that slight risk was supposed to be placed at. This does include Houston and just the Houston area, actually, and in southwest Louisiana as well. We do still have those conditional wind and hail threats. Now I want to turn our attention to tomorrow, which is still a slight risk. Moves further towards the east for parts of the Florida Panhandle, Louisiana, and Mississippi, where that slight risk is. Mobile and New Orleans are currently in that zone for that slight risk. There's also a 2 to 5% tornado risk for this area as well. We'll see if that does change in the coming days, well, today or even tomorrow. We got that conditional 5%, between 5 and 15% wind threat, and your hail threat is less than 5% in all areas. So really not a whole lot of weather to talk about, just a few things here and there, and then your day 3 is just general thunderstorm action. I don't know if we have much in the way of, well, this map is pretty clear. We do have some high wind warnings up here in Montana, but other than that, everything is perfectly clear here across the United States. But I want to take a look at some of the weather models here. This is simulated precipitation, which is quite heavy on this reflectivity here. This is the Call of Duty or College of DuPage website, and we're going to scroll through here and see what we're going to be dealing with. It kind of intensifies a little bit as it moves off to the northeast, but then tapers off as it continues to move to the northeast. And then by tomorrow, your severe weather threat kind of diminishes just a little bit. Now we're going to look at convective models and see if we do have any threat for supercell rotating storms that can be confined. You can see a small area of southeast Texas is in that between a 4 and a 7 here on the supercell scale, as you can tell right here. 65 knots. So, and then it kind of just draggly just disappears. So there's really not a whole lot going on in the severe weather threat today. So that's basically what we are looking at for today.